This is a demonstration of 41365. As was explained to the customer, we no longer warranty automotive amplifiers due to their tendency to be operated out of design parameters. But what we do is we make a video showing the final testing of the item. What we're going to do is hook it up to a test panel, and we're going to be able to hear it, but more accurately, we will be able to see the left and the right channel from this by viewing this device. This is called a dual trace oscilloscope, and above it and to our viewing left of it is a audio analyzer by Nakamichi that allows us to actually look at the amplitudes measured in decibels. The upper display on both the oscilloscope and the Nakamichi is the left channel, lower display is the right channel. So what we're going to do is come back down here. And the way this is turned on is through this remote lead. There's typically, maybe 6, 7, 8 second delay. And what's going to come up initially will be a dynamic signal. I think we've got ESPN on. Then we're going to go test it by using a sine wave, which is a much more revealing test. And I need to be cognizant of the volume levels, or else the microphone on this camera will distort. So there we go. We just turned it on.
The Blink XP2 security camera with motion
hopefully that is not
talk started under $100
too loud.
Greet the delivery guy or say hello when the kids get home. You can do it all. Blink XP2 cameras are available on Amazon and Best Buy, or visit blinkprotect.com/Dan.
Again, the upper display is left, lower is right. I can change the volume.
Frida writes in here, how could boob Mike Ryan not know Dave Yeager is no longer the king?
I'm going to turn it down and go over to sine waves, which is much more revealing. And I can select either the left, which will be the upper display, or the right, which is the lower display. And what we're going to do is do a frequency response test right about there. And what you do is take a look at these bars here. It's easier to see amplitude fluctuations than watching the oscilloscope pattern. So we're going to go down, and you may be able to hear some of this, and some of this will not be picked up by the microphone. But just watch these bars, and you can see as we go through the audio spectrum that the item should be flat within a decibel or two. Look at that. That is way down. I think that's 20 hertz. Now we're going to go to the other end, like 20K. Wow. Whoops, camera just fell. Sorry about that. Can't afford a camera person here. That's like 20K. Only bats and dogs can hear that. Now we're going to step it down, and as you can see, maybe able to start to hear that now. But the item is back to being what we usually use, which is 400 hertz. I'm going to take the speakers and switch into dummy loads. Dummy loads stretch the amplifier just like speakers do, but it converts the audio energy to heat, and I can select 4 or 8 ohms. We're using 4 ohms. And I want to drive this to full power, and full power is achieved when the top and the bottom of the sine waves start to flatten out. We call that saturation. And we better get some more gain here. Okay, there we go. Right there. Whoa, we don't want to stay there too long. That's where we blow up the amplifier. Okay, so we're going to go back to a speaker and the ESPN.
Well, I feel like it will help the conversation, don't you? I mean, listen, I love searching for clues, and this is my time of year, man.
Could be an investment. Maybe he's just looking to flip it.
Ever think of that? We'll buy it.
Okay, we're going to turn this off, upload it, and this item has been completed.
That's right.
And again, we turn it off by...
So let's see if we can play that sound of Doc Rivers tampering allegedly by talking about...
There we go. And this test has been completed.